So we got a question, if you were tight on a budget, what gadgets from Apple would I recommend? First, when it comes to iPhones, you have primarily two options, I think, in the entry-level segment. You have the iPhone 13, and then you have the iPhone 16e. Both devices are considered entry-level or para sa mga, kumbaga, hindi ganun kagastos. Kasi if you talk about the iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro, you're talking about really expensive smartphones over 60, 70, 80,000 pesos. So when it comes to the 16e, ano ba yung kinaganda nito? Unang-una sa lahat, this runs the Apple A18 Bionic chip, which is one of the more recent chipsets. Ibig sabihin yan in terms of processing power, in terms of gaming, in terms of capability, maganda siya, especially for the price. When it comes naman to the camera, this one actually has a 48 megapixel wide camera at the back. So it's not all the bells and whistles of a iPhone 16 or a iPhone 16 Pro. Pero kung habol mo lang naman talaga yung essentials, 'di ba? Tsaka magandang processing power, tsaka capability, okay na camera, may Apple Intelligence, swak na swak. Ngayon punta naman tayo dito sa iPhone 13. It has the A15 Bionic chip naman ng Apple. So it's not as advanced as the A18, pero again, if you're just looking for basic gaming, your typical everyday tasks, swak na yan. It also has a decent camera. Side by side natin itong dalawa. Ano yung kinagandahan nila or which one should you get? Obviously, kung habol ninyo yung pinakamura, yung 13 yung, kumbaga, pasok sa banga. Kasi yung 13, I think yung SRP niya is around 28,000 to around 30,000 pesos. Alam ko may sale ngayon, or the best price that you guys can get it is around 25,000. I'll link it down below. Legit seller, you can check it out. Yung iPhone 16e, alam ko yung SRP nito is around 40,000, mga 39,000. Alam ko there's an ongoing sale as well. You can check it out. May link dyan sa baba if you guys want to get it. I think it's on sale for around 36,000, 37,000 thereabouts. So, yung difference na in price is around, ano ba yun, right? Mga 10,000 pesos, diba? So, kung talagang tight ang budget, you can go for the 13. Parehong 6.1-inch display yan, pero if you can afford the extra 10,000, then you might wanna go with the 16e. Ayan ang dalawang budget options ninyo pagdating sa iPhones.